right? So like, I mean, if you think about AI and ML in its sort of rudimentary design, right? Here is an algorithm we're running against this set of data. Um, Whether that algorithm runs in somebody else's environment or in yours is really the question, right? So if it runs in your environment, have you controlled the blast radius of this AI or ML running amok? Or if you're connecting to a third party and that's doing assessments, what are they doing with that data? What do they see, right? How can you know that they're looking at that data, doing something with it, giving it back to you, and getting rid of it on their end, right? And so when I think about, you know, organizations in general, one of the things that you always hear is like, what are the sort of minimum compliance standards an organization has to meet? And one of those, one, 5 to 10 things is, do you have a strong third party risk management practice, right? What does your risk organization understand what this AI ML organization slash algorithm is doing with your data, and how it's manipulating it? And so, you know, at the highest level, I think that that's less of a concern. If you are somebody who is developing AI and ML, you are a sort of technology first organization, and we're going to assess you on your technology security practices, right? But I think what's broader there, and from a compliance perspective, I think it's less around security and much more around the sentiments you gain from that data and the biases that these AI ML algorithms create or sort of exemplify based on what is in your data already. And I think it's just much more an ethical concern as opposed to a security concern.